Yeah, I overslept, so I got less than an hour now to prepare and I have to hurry up. Okay, so I made it to the train station. I woke up way too late actually. Hello, doggy. Hello. Hi. The ticket from Chachangsha all the way to the border costed me only 40 baht, which is slightly more than €1. I've been in Thailand for 5 years without crossing the border, so I got mixed feelings about this trip. I'm definitely going to miss home, but it's exciting nonetheless. This is called Ban Krong Luk station, and it's the last station in Thailand. In Cambodia there are no trains yet, so the plan is to use a bus. That's the last bit of familiar food. KFC. Yeah. Still in Thailand now. Ooh, bread. Nice.
Where do you go, sir?
To the border. Yeah. During the walk to the border, a lot of men ask if you need a taxi or something else, to the point that it gets annoying. But yeah, they're just trying to make a living, so what can we say? Okay, so here I am at the Thai border. Departure. จะคิดทำประเทศไทยเลยจะคิดทำบ้านเลย แต่ก็จะสนุกแน่นอน If you're going out of Thailand with a long-term visa like me, you need to make a re-entry permit. I made mine a few days before the trip so that I wouldn't have any hassle at the border. Immigration on both sides of the border were friendly, especially on the Cambodian side. At the Cambodian side, there was a man trying to sell bus tickets. I'm always skeptical about paying for something I can't see yet, so I refused. It's like this. Okay, so I'm finally in Cambodia and I'm going to the bus station now. Okay. ไปเองได้ครับ
โอเคไม่เป็นไรผมดูตามไปผมดูตามไงไม่เป็นไรเอาตังค์หรอก
Okay. Ben bilmiyorum daha bir şey bilmiyorum böylesine yürüyorum.
Gel bizimle gel o zaman ya.
Ha?
Gel bizimle gel o zaman. 300 baht dedi 4 tane koltuk var. Siem Reap'e gidiyor.
Siem Reap mı?
Ya 4 tane
Kişi başına mı 300 baht? Taksi mi?
Otobüs. 3 saatlik yol zaten. Uygun bence ya.
Şimdi benim korkum şu. Öyle deyip şey yapıyorlarmış. Bir yere duruyorlarmış. Yani ıssız bir yere.
Evet.
Ondan sonra işte orada bir sürü erkek oluyormuş. Onlar insanları yani şöyle baskılıyormuş. Yani ondan official değilse bence siz de girmeyin.
Doğru
Bir bakın önce. Open van. Van.
Em already for in that because Siem Reap also there.
Ne diyorsun?
เท่าไหร่ครับ
คนละ300นะ
คนละ300
ใช่
Aa, okay.
İlgi mi duyuyor?
Yani çok insan var. Soyamazlar ki. Böyle nasıl soyacaklar 20 kişiyi?
Doğru diyorsun. Bunlar da rol yapıyor olamazlar değil mi içeridekiler?
Yok canım.
Okey, Python'u yine
Yabancılar. Yes.
Sen David Taycı var galiba.
He var. Gidelim mi? He 300 baht.
Okey 300 baht.
Okay.
Tamam.
มีที่นั่งไหมล่ะ มีการเดียวหรือเปล่า
Geliyor musun sen de?
Allah. Yer varsa geliriz.
Niye?
มีที่นั่งไหม มีเนาะ Suda almadık ya.
Zamanımız varsa lavaboya gideceğim.
Şuradan.
Aynen gördüm. Zamanımız da vardır herhalde. Bunu yanıma aldım.
มี5 นาทีไหมครับ ไปกี่โมงครับ
Belki de bilmiyor. Kımerce
ไป
konuşuyor.
เมาไปเมา
Biliyorum.
He can go to the toilet, right? It's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Toilet, yeah, okay. 3 people.
มา
Okay.
บัตรเทียได้ปุ๊บกินบัตรเทียสั้นอันนี้มาทำไม
Yeah, okay.
Sorry
ตอนนี้อยู่ในแวนนะครับ รถแวนนะครับจ่าย300 บาท
Ne gördün eminim. İnternete yüklenin hiçbir şey kaybolmaz.
So now what I notice in Cambodia is the amount of trash on the roads ขยะมันเยอะมากที่ผมเห็นเขาไม่ค่อยสะอาดเขาไม่ค่อยทำความสะอาดแต่ถนนก็โอเคนะครับมันก็ดูไม่แย่มันก็ดูโอเคนี่บ้านก็สวยอยู่นะครับเห็นไหมบ้านที่สวยก็มีบริษัทนี่นะก็มีทุกอย่างแล้ววันนี้จะไปเซียมเรียบ So my first impression of Cambodia is that it's incredibly dry. I didn't expect it to be like this. Kind of disappointing. I know it's the dry season, but this is a bit extreme. I got a very little cute banana. See, it's like my finger, but it's yellow. So cute. van stopped us here, and everything is really overpriced, but at least we get to buy some water. At the bus station, they say, but I don't know if it's a bus station or not. It's free, right?
Yes.
It's included in the...
Yep.
Okay.
So
right.
how many days you stay here?
In Siem Reap, 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah.
So what the name of your hotel?
Biz kendimizinkini söyleyelim mi abi o zaman? Zaten
sizinkini
merkezimiz-
söyleyin. Şehrin içinde değil mi?
Şehrin içinde.
You
700
are
metre
rebooking there, eh?
hesap. Yes.
Yes, okay.
Kendi anlaşmalı olduğu yerine götürebilir.
So, as was said on the internet, they don't bring you to the bus station from Poipet. They bring you to some place where there are a lot of guys and a tuk-tuk driver. Well, I talked with them and they're saying that they're gonna bring us for free. They're trying to sell a package and stuff like that. But at least we're going now.
O yüzden ben herifin halinden anladım. Ben hatta üzüldüm de. Yapacak bir şey yok yani.
Yeah. I had my coffee and now I have a tuk-tuk and I'm going to the hotel. Phew. Okay, let's look at our room. Ooh. Oh, nice, a bathtub, everything. That looks good. Yeah, that's okay, except for the smell of cigarettes. I asked the hotel to change my room and they gave me another one, so all good. I need a nap. See you on the next video.